That's your FEV1. Maliwanag? Hindi ko na bibilangin para sa inyo kasi ako na naman magbibilang, di ba? Yan, lugi naman ako noon. Yan, dapat kayo din magtrabaho. Okay? Maliwanag? No questions? Yan, so now let's go to maximum breathing capacity. This time you will ask the subject to do fast and deep inspiration within 15 seconds. While the drum is rotating, ganun pa rin, then you record. Okay? And then, upon recording it, you will measure the volume of each cycle and then you multiply that by 15 seconds to get the value within 1 minute again. So ang magiging unit mo is volume per minute. No? So that is equivalent to liters per minute or milliliters per minute. Okay? So you should know yung significance, no, ng volume na ito. So kapag nakita niyo yung tracing, ganito yung makikita natin. Kasi nga, you will ask the subject, ay ano ba yan? Sorry naman. Yan, you will ask the subject to do fast and deep breathing. So yung subject mo, inhale, ganyan, no? Inhale, exhale siya. Kaya ganyan yung magiging tracing niya. Okay? So sabi, you count the number of complete respiratory cycle within 15 seconds. So tingnan natin, mag-start tayo dito kasi nag-start siya dun sa may line mismo, di ba? So from here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So dito, 15. Okay? So from here to there. So anong gagawin natin again? Sabi natin, from right to left yung ating spiral. So this one, ang inspiratory stroke or ang inspiratory curve, from there to there. So bibilangin nyo ulit yung volume. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. O yan, para tayong Batibot, no? Or Sesame Street. Ayan, 14 squares, di ba? So isa yan. Tapos ulitin nyo rin dito. Mapapansin nyo, hindi yan pantay-pantay kasi nga fast and deep, no? May mas malalim, may mas mababaw. So halimbawa dito, 15 ang nabilang ninyo. So 14 times 50. Tapos ganun din dito. Halimbawa lang 15, no? Times 50. So kung ano yung makukuha nyo dyan, tapos gagawin nyo lahat yan, magmula doon hanggang marating nyo dito sa pang 15. Okay? So lahat nun, di ba, i-multiply nyo kung ilan yung nakukuha nyo, i-add up nyo siya. I-add up nyo. Pag na-add up nyo lahat yung volume, i-multiply nyo siya by 4 para lumabas na within a minute siya. Maliwanag? So that is your maximum breathing capacity. And the value that you will get dyan sa experiment net or exercise, medyo malaki talaga. Kasi maximum breathing capacity and saka dami mong inad. Okay? Maliwanag? Is that clear? Why is it not functioning? Bura-bura muna. Yan, baka makalimutan kung burahin sa susunod kasi. Okay? So maliwanag? Maximum breathing capacity? Okay? So again, ang kukumpitin natin, respiratory rate, tidal volume, yan, ginawa natin within 10 seconds, di ba? Minute respiratory volume or your total ventilation, alveolar ventilation, vital capacity, yung static, and then yung FEV1, FVC, you have to measure that. And then syempre, kung ratio lang, you will divide lang yung dalawang volumes for you to get the ratio. And then your maximum breathing capacity. Maliwanag? And then you answer your manuals. Okay, for the deadline, I think di ba ang sinet na sa atin 8 o'clock? Tama ba? Or if you want to confirm, you can ask Ma'am Kat. No? Hindi, nakalimutan ko. Pero 8 o'clock, di ba? Ang ating deadline. Okay, do you have any questions for the laboratory? Wala na?